PEC Education is one of the leading PTE test training providers in Dhaka, Bangladesh. PEC Education started its journey in 2016 with providing one-stop PTE academic supports and services. There are several PTE courses that PEC offers both online and on campus to its students. All of the PTE courses includes PTE study materials and free PTE mock tests. Please call for detailed information PTE course preparation and services to 01713167969 or visit the website www.pecpte.com.
The provided bar graph illustrates the distribution of age group for the population of Singapore in the year 1960. As the age increases, the percentage decreases, but from the age group 15 to 19 years the percentage is alarmingly low. The highest percentage of population consists of the age group 0 to 4 years and the lowest percentage of population consists of age group 65 to 69 years.
This bar graph shows different genres of movie and what different kind of people prefer watching. Romance has the highest number of audiences with 6 votes, whereas drama has the least number of audiences with 1 vote. The same number of people voted for sci-fi and comedy and the number of votes are 4. Action movies come with second highest audience with 5 votes.
This pie chart illustrates the approximate composition of the air. Firstly, 79% of the air consists of nitrogen. Secondly, 20% of the air consists of oxygen and 1% of the air consists of other gases. So, we can see that most of the gases of the atmosphere are filled with nitrogen gas.
The line graph gives an idea of the life expectancy in South Africa from the years 1960 to 2015 for both male and female. The life expectancy is always higher for women than men. We can also see that life expectancy increased from the 1960s to 1990s. From 1990s to 2005 it decreased. Then from 2005 to 2015 it started increasing again. The line in the middle gives us an average estimation for both men and women.
This table represents the statistics of family expenses in Shanghai. In the 1980s, 68% of the expenses were for food and clothing. In the 1990s, the percentage for food and clothing decreased to 45% and the expenses for recreation, education, healthcare and others increased steadily. In 2000, the highest expenses were for other things increased a lot to 35%. We can also see that by 2000, the expense for food and clothing decreased a lot.